Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri Ayuni Salsa Lutfamah from class Mtl-C Nim 19B 5050 31072. During this pandemic, I often help my mom to cook at home and like to try new cooking recipes. So, today I'm going to show you how to easy making corn fritters at home from my mom recipe. Let's make it.
First of all, you have to prepare all the ingredients and tools in advance. The ingredients are 500 grams of wheat flour, 300 grams of sweet corn, 1 small carrot finely chopped, 1 leek finely chopped, 3 grains of garlic and 3 shallots finely chopped, 2 small spoons of salt and seasoning to taste. Cooking oil, no water. The tools are big bowl, spoon, frying pan, and spatula. After all the materials and tools are ready, let's make it the right way. Steps to cook. First, put 500 grams of flour in a large bowl. Second, add water little by little to the bowl until it is mixed into a dough. Then mix 2 small tablespoons of salt and seasoning according to taste into the mixture and mix well. Next, enter the other ingredients, namely garlic, shallots, sweet corns, carrots, and leeks. After that, heat the cooking oil in a skillet. The next step, put a spoonful of butter into the hot oil. Be careful and fry until the dough turns golden brown 2 to 3 minutes on each side. When the corn fritters is cooked, remove from oil and dry. Serve the corn fritters on a plate. corn fritters are ready to eat.
Okay, this all how to make corn fritters for my mom recipe. I hope you enjoy it and don't forget to try it. Thank you. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.